Hey Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So I am just doing some reading. Y'all know the part that we like to skip over a lot is the generations, all of the families, because the names be like, who is that? Like what they said. But it is so important to understand the names and the generations and what is going on with the families because that gives you a lot of information. And I know when we see this, it's typically like this with a whole bunch of families. Like you might find a whole chapter with just all family. But when we realize that that family goes back and, back to Adam and Eve, then we will understand why the people in these families did what they did. So it is always important to do your extended research on the families. Do not skip this section so you can see what is going on. I just learned some new words today. I've never heard of these families before. And then a lot of the times it's like a itite. Like at the end, it always maybe like a ITES. But I never heard of these families before. So I was just looking at some numbers and I just wanted to share that information with y'all as well. So looking at some numbers, I just wanted to write them down because the Lord teaches us everything that we need to know. I don't like when they be like, we don't supposed to be knowing how to count to a trillion. Well, why not? And everybody else is spending our trillions of tax dollars. So I think it is imperative that we do learn about numbers in general. So the Lord talks about numbers. So I just wanted to write these things down just to see what they would look like. This is just my own personal opinion on what I think that this means. So I encourage you to do your extended research. I am right here in Numbers chapter 26, verses 16 through 24. So this is just how I think that this is reading. So let's go right here in verses 18. These are the families of the children of Gad, according to those that were numbered of them, 40,500. This is how I think that's supposed to be written. 40,000. And I think the comma is the end. 500. So you said that 40,500. Okay, and I was really just looking at the numbers. Like I underlined these names because I've seen this name before, Shala, and I was trying to figure out who that was, but they got a whole family here. So I underlined these because I never heard of these families before. These are the families of Judith, according to those which were numbered of them, 16,500. I did my extended research to see what 60 mean, and they said 60 means 3 times 20. So if you say that these are the families according to Judith, and you say 60, I'm going to think now, since I researched it, I'm going to think 3 times 20 equals 60. Now I might look at me, I'm trying to go far already because I just like to go far with it because I'm trying to figure out what made y'all get. I mean, 3 times 20 is 60, but how did y'all come up with that? But we ain't finna do too much. Y'all know I'll be here all day trying to figure that out, and I will. But so he said 60, and so this is the 60 right here. So I'm gonna take the 60. So the 60 is the 60, and I'm thinking it say and. You can put that up here just so you can see it. So 60 and 16,000. So I'm thinking that's saying 60 and 16,000. And I'm gonna put that up there just because it say and. 60 and 16,500. So he was saying that these are the families of Judith. So I just wanted to look at this. I just wanted to look at some numbers, look at some math, because now that I'm getting older, I do like to learn more about numbers because I was skipping all the math classes, honey. I was outside. We outside. Hey, free. So we were school free. Look, I'm FREE. I'm math free. I ain't coming to your class, so you gonna have to tardy me. And I'm skipping again. You can't find me in a like where Alexis and she was right behind me. Listen, I just wanted to look at some numbers, y'all. I just wanted to stop by and fool with y'all. So the Lord said that there was 40 and 5,000. And this is what I be saying. I think God be, well, not talking different from us, but I mean, this right here is some stuff that I think that people be not feeling like we supposed to know. Like, oh my God, can you even read that? I'm going to read it how I found it. So 40 and 500, 60 and 16,500. So 60 and 16,500. That's a lot of numbers. We got 1, 2,